just in the Gulf of Mexico is actually creating some of those rain chances for us, but we'll get to that in just a second. Right now, we're looking at Brownsville, 78 degrees. That's your current temperature. Looking at those southeasterly winds at 19 miles an hour. So here's what's going on in Brownsville. We are seeing these storms slowly beginning to weaken, but we still have more rounds of rain on the way, and we actually anticipate to see rain chances all week long, which means flooding will be a major issue. So far tonight, in the last 24 hours, we've seen close to an inch of rain in Brownsville, 1.64 inches of rain in Harlingen, 1.13 in Weslaco, and just shy of a quarter of an inch of rain in McAllen. So we really haven't seen a lot of rain in parts of the Upper Valley, but as we move further south, you're definitely seeing some of those rain totals quite high. Now, as for those official highs for today, 88 degrees in Harlingen, 90 in Brownsville, 87 in Weslaco, 88 in McAllen. Here's how we compare. We should be hitting 91 for this time of the year, so of course we were quite seasonal this afternoon. 75 is how we started off our morning, and storms are going to continue well into Tuesday. Decent chances for some thunderstorms in the evening hours. Tonight, 77 degrees in the lower valley, 75 in the upper. These are your forecast overnight lows. And tomorrow, 88 is what we're forecasting for Brownsville, 87 in the upper valley. Scattered storms throughout the entire day. Again, this does have the possibility for some flooding. Now remember, tropical depression number 3, this is actually expected to strengthen into a tropical storm by tomorrow. Now once it does, it's going to be called Tropical Storm Cristobal. So just keep that in mind, as this is slowly going to make its way well into the Gulf of Mexico, develop, and that's when we could potentially continue to see more severe storms in our area. For now, everything highlighted in that dark green pretty much indicates that we have a healthy amount of moisture, and this is what's going to be giving us the opportunity to see some pretty decent rain chances as we move on through the next few days. So 60% chance of rain Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, this does mean that we'll be seeing those afternoon storms. Flooding will be a big threat for our area tomorrow, not just for the lower valley, but throughout the entire Rio Grande Valley. We're looking at a 40% chance of rain Thursday, 50 on Friday. So again, from now until Friday, the possibility of flooding will remain a threat for us, and then we'll slowly begin to taper off Saturday, Sunday into the beginning of next week. Afternoon highs are expected to primarily stay in those low 90s.